Hi everybody, we are seeing loops in shell scripting. In this video lecture, we are going to see working of for loop. So for loop will be operating on a list of items. So you want to do some task or you want to execute few statements again and again repeatedly, starting from you have a start point and you have an end point. In such cases, you can go for loop. So for loop syntax goes like that: for the variable in which you are going to manipulate in word 1, word 2, word 3 till word n. So you will be giving do and done at the beginning and end of the for loop. Inside that you will be having the statements. So we will be seeing how to calculate factorial of a number using for loop. So I am having, we can write for loop in two ways. I will be showing you both the ways. So the first one, what is the input for finding the factorial? You want a number. So that number will be your input and the factorial of that number will be output. How manually will be calculating the factorial of a number? Suppose I want to calculate 3 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into, 1 into 2 into 3. So I will be multiplying every number starting from 1 till the number for which I want to calculate factorial. I will be repeatedly multiplying each number with my answer. So I want a variable for storing my output, that is fact. It is initialized to 1. So for loop syntax is for space I is the loop control variable, space in 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5. You can give numbers as the list can grow as per your requirement. So I want to find the factorial of 5. So I am giving for I in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So opening bracket, I am, instead of opening braces, I am giving the keyword do. At the end I have to close the loop with the help of done statement. So inside the loop I am calculating factorial. So factorial is equal to factorial, the value at the fact into the loop variable I. So expr space $fact, multiplication is denoted by slash asterisk. So slash asterisk space $I. You have to enclose this expression inside an inverted comma. This will iteratively or repeatedly run and it will give you the factorial of a number. At the end of the loop I am printing this is my factorial. So let me run this. sh space fact.sh. So factorial is 120. This is one way. But what is the drawback in this method? I have to list the number from 1, 2, 3. I have to type all the numbers. So instead of that, if it is a small number, I can work like this. But if it is large, it will be quite tough for me. So what I can do is, I can use one more function called sequence, seq. So seq is the function. You have to call this function like seq space the starting value space the end value. So I am always initiating my start value as 1 because my iteration starts from 1. In the runtime I am getting the input variable for which I want to find the factorial. So that is stored in end. So I am getting start and end. Now for I is the loop control variable in $sequence start end. Why I have put dollar here is the sequence is a function, seq is a function. The arguments for the function are start and end. So this will be returning a value. So I want to put dollar in the prefix. So I am opening the loop with the help of do statement. Inside this repeatedly I am multiplying fact with I and I am storing it in fact. So fact is equal to expr $fact into $I. Then I am closing the loop with the help of done. So this will be iteratively calculating the factorial of any number. At the end I am printing that factorial is fact. So to improve the readability, you can also type echo, enter the value for which you want to find factorial. So I am going to run this program and see what is my output. So I am giving 4, factorial of 4 is 24. I am giving 5, 120. So I am getting my output correct. This is how you have to run the for statement. The next tutorial will be seeing 2 more loops until and select. Thank you.